sweet. B is for ball that bounces on feet. C is for cat, soft and white. D is for dog, full of delight. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming away. G is for goat, jumping high. H is for hat, worn in July. I is for ice, so cool and nice. J is for juice, with mango slice. K is for kite, flying so free. L is for lion, roaring at me. M is for moon, glowing bright. N is for nest, a cozy sight. O is for owl, who stays up late. P is for penguin, sliding straight. Q is for queen, pretty and neat. R is for rabbit, fast on feet. S is for sun, up in the sky. T is for train, chugging by. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for van, driving in lanes. W is for whale, in the sea. X is for X-ray, for you and me. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, in stripy gown.